You guys, Northern California is hit by a 6.2 earthquake that shattered windows and sent frightened locals fleeing outdoors. Sheriff says tremor was strongest he felt since 2010. So yesterday, Northern California was hit with an earthquake. This is a 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck offshore in the Cape of Mendocino area of Northern California, United States. Geological Services said on Monday, shattering windows and sending those affected rushing outdoors. The quake struck at a depth of 9 kilometers, 5.6 miles in the Pacific Ocean, about 24 miles west of the tiny community of Petrolia, along the rocky wilderness of California's Lost Coast region. It could be felt as far south as San Francisco and as far north as Medford, Oregon. It was slow rolling at first, but then it really got going. So yesterday, it says U.S. Geological Surveys estimate economic losses of less than 10 million. So yeah, there was an earthquake in Cali. Oh, it wasn't in Cali. It was off of the shore. And you remember what I'm telling you guys about these, about what did I just do? Joe Biden and to announce that the federal government will send out 500 million free at-home COVID tests, mobilize military medics, and pre-deploy hospital equipment as he lay out new battle plan. Mobilize military medics. Mobilized military. That doesn't sound good to me. But that's not what we're here for. How do I get back? Okay. So, yes. There was a earthquake yesterday, California. From this article, it says there was no injuries. It's causing minimal damage to the populated area. It was at 2:10 p.m. All right, you guys. Y'all have a blessed day.